Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make broccoli salad without mayonnaise. It's tangy, addictive, and healthy. I'm telling you this as a person who doesn't even like broccoli. This is one of the few dishes I'll eat with broccoli in it. Since we're not using any mayonnaise, it's the perfect salad for an outdoor party because you don't have to worry about keeping it cold. There's a lot of fiber in the salad, which balances out the massive amounts of meat and barbecues. All the ingredients and measurements are in a link right below this video. We'll need broccoli, washed, red onion, lemons, carrots for the dressing, olive oil, chili flakes, mustard, honey, and a clove of garlic. Slice the onion as thin as you can. Put them in a bowl. Peel the carrots, trim the ends off, grate them on the large holes of a box grater. Add the carrots to the bowl. Cut the broccoli into small pieces. If you want to use the stalk, peel the hard outer layer and slice thinly. All of the broccoli is cut up and put in a bowl. For the dressing, squeeze fresh lemons into a cup. Add mustard, honey, chili flakes, salt, pour in olive oil and whisk to combine. Grate the garlic clove right into the dressing. Give it a mix. Taste and add more salt or honey if you need to. It really depends on the sourness of your lemons. Now we'll cook the broccoli. Heat up a pan and pour a little water. Salt. Add the broccoli and cover for 30 seconds. Mix and cover for another 30 seconds. If there's any water in the pan, turn the heat up so it evaporates. Total cooking time is less than 2 minutes because they've been cut into very small pieces. The broccoli should be very crisp, not cooked completely. I just like to lose that raw taste. If you want to use the stalks, just add them towards the end and cook for about 30 seconds. Transfer to a large bowl. Put the carrots and onions on top. Pour the dressing over the vegetables. Mix really well. This salad can be served right away at room temperature or cold. A few hours in the fridge or overnight and the salad tastes even better because the vegetables have had a chance to sit in the dressing. You can store this in the fridge for up to 3 days. Give this a try and let me know how you like it. Share this video and subscribe for more recipes. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.